This giant once ruled the American highways, but today it is slowly being swallowed by the forest. This is a 1978 International Transtar, a powerful diesel truck built to carry heavy loads across endless miles. Strong, loud, and respected, it was a true legend of the road. Now it has been abandoned for more than 25 years, hidden among trees, with flat tires, peeling paint, and vines wrapping around the cabin. To many, it looks like nothing more than scrap metal, but to one passionate restorer, it is a challenge and a piece of history worth saving. Step by step, he carefully lifts it from the ground, frees it from the earth, and gives it a second chance. The real test is still ahead. Will the silent engine roar back to life, or is this the end of its story?